now.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're at the track on Canada Day, July 1st, 2020. Four-wheel drive in the top of the B main, so we'll see how I do in the race. Four-wheel drive B main, July 1st, but I just on my little parade lap getting staged up, I heard my car was grinding a lot, so we'll see if it finishes. Either my spur or my diff is gone.
B main, four-wheel drive buggy, less than 5 on the tone. Keep you guys on your toes. Oh, man, is it burning? Oh, burning. All right, you guys go. Oh, burning. All right, that's right. All right, you get Josh in front and Jiggy. Oh, you got going something. Yep. Oh, we got someone off the track and it's a pot guy. And we got Jack John, Mark, Eric, Brian, BB. Oh, it's a BB and Brian. One there. All right, for the leaders down the straight, go up the wall here. Jake is in 2. Mark's in the 3. Eric's in the 4. Keeping all these guys on, so they're all looking for the bump. 4. 1 minute down, 5 to go. 6. Oh, we got someone on the side. There's another one there. 7. All right. So we got Jack, John, Mark, Derek, Brian, Pascal in there. 1st. 2nd. 3rd. All right, so the separation is 1 second between Jack and John. Another second. And 4. You guys are really close. Not letting Jack run away with it yet. Keep it tight, John. Keep it tight up there. 6. 7. Next one, Jack. 1st. A little wider, John. Oh, you can go with it. 3rd. Easy on him. Smooth fast. All right, so lots of good time there for Jimmy. 4th. 1.5 seconds, probably 3 seconds on. Mark's catching up on the first spot. We got him in the straight. 1 minute left. You got 4 minutes to go. 1st. Oh, John, just making some noise, buddy.
I know.
You got 3 minutes and 45 seconds to go. You keep on running. I will keep going. You can get the spur all up. We'll take it later. 6. 7. Be easy on 1st. All right, so the leader just went by. Second place, 2 seconds behind. Mark is 3 seconds behind. But Mark is right on John's tail. Watch out outside of this first. First is going, first is going to double. 4th. All right, keep it clean. Keep it clean. Get it up. Welcome to the house. Nice pass. Oh, our leader's ready to stay. On down to 2nd now. 7. And Jake is telling you, John is 1st now. 2 minutes to go.
3 minutes left.
Oh.
4th.
Oh,
Nope, there it goes. Done. Ah, it's too bad.
All right, we're going to have Jack over here.
6.
Jack and Mark. Mark's off at a time though.
1st.
So there goes Jack at 23.7. His fastest is 22 seconds. Wow, Jack, good job. All right, Pascal, that is your play coming up on you. Let's see. All right, Eric, that is first place behind you. Just to give you a heads up, that is first place behind you. So Mark is in 2nd. He is 5.2 seconds. You know, 5.6 seconds. Jack went up another 500 for the 2nd.
Oh, that was a lot.
So Jared's in 3rd. Brian's in 4th. Eric's in 5th. Pascal's in 6th. And Jake is up.
4th. 1st. 5th.
Jack's car isn't feeling. Jack's car's making a ticky noise too.
6.
His father and son through the doubles.
Brian, Eric and Brian, you guys are battling for position. You guys are battling for 4th.
Okay, that's those two battling for 4th.
first, fourth, fifth,
And there is in third place, top guys in sixth.
seventh,
Top guys on the Pasagara. Right,
So that buggy in first place is making a grinding noise too.
Just put on Jacko front and Mark. Here comes Jack.
first, fourth, fifth,
Stay second, there is in third.
1 minute left.
Last minute to play. Gonna bump up. Jack's looking to do it. There. We got 5.7 seconds between first and Mark. There is about 8 seconds back on Jack. Brian's about 10 seconds back on Jack. You got 40 seconds to go. It's going to go for 2 more laps.
Fourth, fifth, seventh,
And Mark is still 5 seconds behind.
Oh, oh no!
Oh, something happened to
Jack's buggy. It's
it's broken.
he's gonna try and limp it to the. Oh man!
First though, Mark is right behind him with 17 seconds to go. Can you make it 2 more laps? And then 6
2 more laps.
Hold on, hold on.
first,
Here comes Mark.
Oh, there he goes. No, it's toast.
2 seconds on the clock.
All right, now Mark's.
Nice job, Jack. The guy who was in 5 minutes race, he's gonna win it.
Yeah, oh no.
All right.
6
Keep on pushing, Mark.
All right.
Mark is gonna take this. Here you go.
Fourth, Brian is done with the 14 laps.
Oh wow, we lost a couple buggies on that one, but good run.
With the 14 laps, 610.4 result.
All right, that was 4-wheel drive. That was 4-wheel drive B main.
13.8 result.
Yikes. So I think we lost some spurs or some diffs or some rings and some pinions, but yeah, I lost a lot of buggies on that run, but it was a fun race. Yeah. Woo, she's done, boys. She's done. The spur gear. I toasted the spur, so it's no big deal. You just got to take that apart. You get the center diff out, and then you can replace the spur gear. So we'll do that for next week. Is it time to build the point two? Might be. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Race number 3.